Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. You are most welcome. If you're new here, you can call me Nabz Arah. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe down below. Leave a thumbs up on this video and share it with someone who you think might find it interesting. We are taking a short road trip from Pakwach to Nyaravul. Almost. I think we are going maybe side. I don't think we reach Arua. So we are going to be checking out someone or a few people that have such interesting work that they do with their hands. And I'm excited to show you guys, so come along.
Buffalo soldier. Hey!
Yes, we've made it to Nyaravul. Let's get out and see. Let's go shopping. Shopping by the road.
Bigger than this, but this place has every fruit, kind of fruit, art and craft.
Hello. I really like the style of this one, but you said how much is this? 7. Can't you reduce? How much is this? Same price. Ah, this one is not heavy. This one, yeah, this one seemed heavy. Huh? How do you even tell which one is good quality? Mama, do you cook using them? Do you cook in them?
Yeah.
So this is 5.
Nice leg. Hey.
This is 5, eh?
That one. Size mama.
But it's the same as those ones. You mean this one is bigger? How much is this? How much is this?
You want me to go back to the village, eh?
Okay, how much is this? 7. I think I like this one. First hold this one. I want one for drinking water, but no, they are too big. How much is this one? So the cheapest drinking water pot is 7,000. 5. Ah, but this one it keeps little water. Even that one. I'd rather take like, how much is this? 7, eh? This one. This one.
You said you said 8,000. I'm going to give at 7.
Why doesn't it have a cover? You can pick one here, and you will not charge me extra. Huh? I tell that cover fits well. So this is 7. I think I like this one. 6 and 7. 13. Okay, I think I'll take those ones. You said this one is 15. This is 20. It's too big for me. I'll just take these ones.
If you have a family.
Just take this one and. But how am I going to go back with that pot to Kampala? Okay. Finally. Mama, tips for using it. I see some people put it in a.
Put the soil.
I put soil.
Basin or a bowl. Then you wash it to put it.
It should sit on soil.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, now how do you pack this one? The pot. Okay, I just have to carry it like that. I don't think there is a special way they pack it. These tiny ones for decor. Wish I could take some. But what if I never get anything to put there? Maybe I'll come back. Maybe I won't. I didn't show you guys other things they have. This one is for when you're burning essence in the house. You burn it here, put the cover, the smoke comes out of these holes. They also have tiny ones here, these ones, but the tiny ones, the price is equal, is close to the cost of the big ones. So the one next to this is 5,000, this one is 4,000. So, but it's heavy. I think it's good quality. I don't know what these are for.
That one is when you produce two babies.
When you produce it, when you buy this,
And you buy these and then you go and combine them at home there.
how do you combine the babies here?
You know, this one is for culture value.
Culture values.
Yes.
Okay. When you give birth to twins, you buy this, you take it home and combine them. If you now they combine them, you let us know. Is this for triplets?
That one?
Uh,
That one is for flowers.
flowers.
Yeah. Put flowers on top of holes.
How much are the grinding stones?
This one is the one of 5, 6, 7,
5, 6, 7.
8.
Oh, you go as you go. The bigger it gets, the more pricey. Okay. Thank you. Oba nsuwa bagenda gym pakingira batya? Oh, nva mu Uganda. The people selling snacks here. So. Nyeko is getting some. This one.
This one, let us make it. For me, I cannot keep reducing. This one is good.
All those ones are 7.
Yeah. This one, I give you 6.
Mama, I want this one and one like that.
Let me see for you. What about this black one?
I think I have no problem with it. Is it the same size as the other one?
The same.
How about that one?
Where this
That one, yeah.
No problem. I will do
How much?
This one also give me 6,000, but for 7, let me reduce for you 1,000 because you are going to take 2.
Okay. I think this one is nice. Now, how about this one, Mama?
Okay, this one 5 also.
No, but you already said 5. You're not reducing that
For
one.
you here 1,000.
But Mama, this one is small. How can it be 5?
This one not 5.
Ah.
This also to be 5 also. Kumbuka sana. Where first?
The covers are so light, so they can easily break.
Kau nak kau dah kan lagi lain.